Hi Aquarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your weekly You and Yours. Now, Aquarius, you and yours is you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this point. These are not specific love readings only. So this could be anyone, in your energy zone who's affecting you. Could be a boss, teacher, parent, neighbor. Of course, a love interest could pop in as well. Depends on who's, right now on your mind or affecting your energy, like I said. Yes, I have uploaded love readings as well. I'll leave a link at the end of the video. You could check those out if love is what you're looking for. And let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please send us a message for Aquarius as to who they need to know about and how they can deal with it. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin. These are general energies, Aquarius, okay? General collective energies. So each and every one is not going to resonate with all you Aquarius out there. So take what works for you and leave the rest, okay? Don't make every reading fit into your life. Maybe it's a message for another Aquarian out there. If you really have an issue, then you can reach out to someone for a personal one-on-one reading. Ace of Wands, that's a very good card to have, bottom of the deck, overall energy. So let's see what you're dealing with, Aquarius. Nine of Pentacles in reverse, the Emperor, the Magician, Seven of Swords, the Lovers, and the Knight of Cups. Okay, this is turning out to be, I think, a love story here. Three of Wands for your person, Three of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, the Hierophant in reverse, Two of Swords, and the Eight of Wands. Okay, action-packed week, Aquarius. I'll be reading one side as you and the other as your person, but feel free to switch or flip the energy if you feel the other side is resonating with you more. Ace of Swords in reverse for your mutual energy, Ten of Wands, center of the spread, and the Hermit. Lot of contemplation going on here. You both want to move forward, definitely. So right now, I think there's been some communication which has come to you, Aquarius, if this is you. There's been some very swift, fast communication come to you, which is, leaving you feeling a bit rattled maybe, not as secure and as, strong as you usually feel. Though you are coming across as the Emperor here. What is this Emperor spirit and this Nine of Pentacles in reverse? Again, I have the sneaky Seven of Cups, Seven of Swords card again, clarifying them. So yes, somebody tried to, I think, there was some action taken, okay? There was some action taken in the past and somebody tried to be in control of another person, okay? Maybe tried to play mind games with somebody to make them go their own way, try to manifest something to suit their ends, and this could have been done in a slightly sneaky way. It was not like one person went to the other and proposed to them sweetly. Maybe this person, was trying to play mind games to make the other person do what they wanted them to do. And this kind of, Lovers is in reverse and so is the Six of Wands. This kind of backfired. Okay, this kind of backfired on the other person. I mean, on depression, feeling bound, stressed. One person definitely tried to fool the other one, some way or the other. Okay, they felt they could take charge, they could be in control, they could manifest the relationship to go any way they wanted, and whatever they did, I think, led to a lot of heartbreak, pain, sadness. Nothing really worked out the way they wanted. and this thing really came to an end here, okay? And this was a very, very strong soulmate connection. It could have gone really right, okay? This is the Lovers. We also have the Knight of Cups, but he's in reverse. So so whatever offer that you were expecting from this person, it never came, and there was no fresh beginning happening here. Somebody just tried to fool the other person, I think. Aquarius. Now you don't know how to move forward. Okay, now you don't know how to take this cup of love to the other person, because one person just tried to mind manipulate the other person, maybe juggle them, or go back and forth and not give them any clear communication, just spy on the other person, okay, and not making any effort to kind of move this relationship into a positive direction. Okay, somebody tried to use their will and power and their manifesting abilities to make the other person maybe come towards you, even though there was a lot of love and affection here. Everything was right, but one person here, Aquarius, if this is you didn't take the right route. You tried to fool them into doing what you wanted them to do. Let's see the other person. The other person is waiting patiently. The other person has either turned their back or is waiting patiently. I think they have realized that it's better to be single and happy. Okay, I think they've turned their back on you, and they're saying, okay, if you are, you're going to cheat and lie and control and not come towards me with the correct offer or the correct way, and maybe just come in with your passion, and maybe this is what you were doing. You were just showing them a lot of sexual energy maybe, and you were not coming, even though there was a lot of love. You felt a lot of love towards them, but you were wanting them to come towards you and surrender. But this person, I think, is now concentrating on themselves and saying, okay, this is the way you want to do it, then I'm going to start working on myself. And they are putting down this same Ace of Wands that you were going towards them with. And they said, okay, I'm not going to work with this, if this is what you're going to come with. What is the Three of Pentacles, Spirit? Too many cards. Oops. I'll take this, the two of them. Okay, yeah. So there's been no communication till now, or maybe Aquarius, your person is not talking to you right now, and they are not feeling victorious at all. In fact, they're maybe feeling embarrassed in front of their friends and family. They were probably looking forward to this Three of Pentacles, where people were working together, celebrating, prospering, and right now they feel okay. They're feeling embarrassed at what did not work out, and they're not feeling happy at all. They lost, basically. The Six of Wands is a card of victory, so it's in reverse, okay? They're also feeling that, yes, not enough investment was put into this, making this into a committed relationship, and no solid commitment was formed, and nobody really worked hard enough to bring it to fruition. They also see that somebody, maybe they also want to take charge of their own life. Can you imagine, you have the Emperor here on your side, and they have the Emperor on their side as well. So either there is another third entity here, maybe an older gentleman, or a father figure of the family, or a grandfather, whatever, who has tried to control the situation. Okay, there's somebody who's tried to boss up and direct this relationship as to how it should go, where it should go. Maybe you guys are planning to get married, and this person has come in the middle of your plans. That's a huge possibility. Yes, exactly what I was saying. I think you both wanted this commitment with each other. You wanted long-term stability, but this marriage or commitment is in reverse, so this could not really come about. Okay, and there was somebody else maybe in the mix, because he's on both your sides. The Emperor is on your side, and the Empress is on their side as well. So maybe there is somebody else who is not allowing this union to come into fruition. Two of Swords in reverse. But I see this person B, Aquarius, if this is you or your other person, I don't know. But I think this person this week is making some kind of a decision, and they are going to be communicating regarding this. Okay, they, I think, want to come towards you. They want to come towards you and give you an explanation of what all has happened, and they want now to be rid of this heartbreak and pain and separation of what they've been feeling. One more card for the Eight of Wands. What do they want to communicate with Aquarius? About this imbalance which is happening, okay? They're not feeling grounded, they're not feeling balanced, and they feel that this relationship has become a little imbalanced now, and they want to talk about it so that, they can get rid of this heartbreak that they're feeling right now. So let's see what is in your mutual energy. What are you both, what is going on in both your heads? Yes, you both feel that this, dynamic has come to a standstill. Total stagnation has come to, your lives, and you both don't see any way that you can move this forward. Both of you are really feeling burdened about this as well. Okay, both of you are feeling overwhelmed, overburdened by what has happened and what is not happening maybe. You're both standing and waiting, okay? Like, look at this man with the bandage on his head, he still stands, okay? So, after so many struggles, he still hangs on to his wand and is still standing strong, still waiting. Just why? Because he knows that this Nine of Wands can lead to the Nine of Cups, which is wish fulfillment. So both of you are holding on with your last breath, I shouldn't say breath, but you know what I mean. You're like, you can barely breathe without the other one, but you're just trying to hold on and keep your wits about you, so that you, from this very burdened place of this Ten of Wands, Nine of Wands, you're willing to endure it because you know that this is going to lead to the Nine of Cups, which is wish fulfillment and clarity and forward movement in your lives. Okay, and you want this fast, and I think something sudden is going to happen as well. Okay, there's going to be a aha moment. Okay, there's going to be an aha moment after going deep within, reflecting, thinking, and something sudden is going to happen, which is, I think, going to allow you into this committed place that you want to be in. Anything else, Spirit, for the Hierophant and the Hermit? I think you are both going to defend this relationship till the end. Maybe there are too many people in the mix. Maybe too many people are giving you advice. I think both of you are going to reject any external interference. Okay, because I think you've both gone within and you both realize that there is no wish fulfillment without the other, and it's going to be sudden. It's going to be drastic, and I think guys are going to take life in your own hands to make this happen. Anything else, Spirit? Yes, whatever you felt that there was injustice done and this love could not be taken forward. I think this is the week people are thinking of picking yourselves up and moving right ahead. Okay, and this is going to happen sudden, because center of the spread I have your Tower moment, and it's going to reveal some way out of the predicament that you people are in. Okay, so let's take an angel card as well from Spirit. As to Spirit, how can you bless or advise my lovely Aquarius and their partner? Take action. Take action. I didn't have to even shuffle for this. Aquarius, if you feel stuck in the rut right now, just take action. Okay, Spirit is with you. Don't have to worry about anyone or what anyone says. Just take action. This is the week now. You have to just not wait anymore, I think. Just take action. So anything else? One more card, please. Please give us one more card to help Aquarius deal with whatever they're going through. Ooh, okay. You may get messages in your dreams, Aquarius. Okay, so reflect. You've been in the hermit mode. You will be in this hermit mode. Sit and reflect and think, and maybe the angels are going to send you some kind of clue or message in your sleep. And if you've been too stressed out or too worried, Aquarius, Spirit is saying, don't worry, relax, everything is going to be fine. Rest up, gather up your energy, and then take quick action. Okay, and Aquarius, if you haven't subscribed, I would really request you to do an energy exchange and hit that subscribe button, and let's meet again soon. Okay, thank you, Aquarius. Love and light. Take care.